Hashtag technical analysis. Hashtag short term. Hashtag December 2020. Hashtag HBAR Hashgraph Hedera. If you're interested in becoming a member of our crypto pack, we are welcoming you. Just click that red box below the video. It says subscribe on it. It is completely free, and if you want things not to be free, you can tip the dinosaur for where and how. Check out the description. And if nothing of that concerns you, just watch the freaking video. What's happening in markets? Well, simple term, kinda consolidation. Although not the official one. Bitcoin is resting at around 27,000. It's fairly unusual to say that something is resting at $27,000 when just a few days ago we broke all-time highs of 20,000. But since last day we touched $28,000, then fell below to 26, we can call this a rest at 27,000. Mr. Bitcoin, just go to sleep for now. And that is a good thing for altcoins, because Ethereum is not resting. It's up more than 8%, and others will surely follow, like Chainlink for example, more than 7%, and so on and so on. But now let's clash Hedera Hashgraph against US dollar, Bitcoin and Ethereum to see how this little guy is holding against the giants. Let's go. We are on a half a day chart. We set short term, so for me short term it is. Maybe for you this time frame is not short term, but in terms of my style of investing, this is a pretty short term. So what do I see regarding HBAR and American dollar on the 12 hours chart? First of all of this like some kind of sideways action. So naked eye is telling me HBAR is just moving in a sideways, not picking the direction either up, either down in a big trend. Of course, in this sideways movement, we can pick out some points of support and resistances. And of course, an upward support like this can always be picked. From the beginning of last month to just a few days ago, we were in a mini upward trajectory. You can see multiple touches of supports. This is not touching, but we can regard this as an almost touch. Even this, and then a breakdown with a style, I must say, because look at the size of this candle. So our month and a half uptrend is now broken. If you want, we even can make some kind of a channel out of it. Resistance, 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 and resistance. The last time we met with the median of this channel, right here, the price decided to fall out of it. So by the probability, just at looking at this channel, you now know that either sideways movement in this macro sideways movement of HBAR, like this, or a bearish continuation of this move right here, like this. One of two. Volume is not showing us anything but smaller and smaller candles. So the bigger volume is waiting us, just as I stated in our previous video. So if you haven't, please watch that one. We made a price prediction for the end of this year, and for now I could say that we were on some kind of a point. So if you are interested in some targets, downside, upside, doesn't matter, check that video out. I'm not expecting any bigger volume until we breach out of this global macro sideways moving of HBAR. If we remove all these drawings and plot just one moving average, that is the 200 period moving average, you can see that for a short period of time we were above it. trying to gain some bullish momentum, but for now that is gone and completely new story is in the making. We are now below it, confirming everything we just said about us moving sideways or to the downside. What could be helping us is this 100 period moving average that had a bullish crossover with the 200. So in my opinion, this is the only bullish thing in this picture that could help the price of HBAR not falling even more. Forecast neutral against dollar. What's happening against Bitcoin? Let's get the ball rolling. Against Bitcoin in the short term, we can't use the word neutral. It is a completely bearish picture. And you can see on the chart we have price action from October and down, down and down it goes. So no sign of life of HBAR versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still holding the upper hand and is fairly stronger. Now if we move this arrow like this, well, now you can see why. This is just an resistance in a down trajectory. So regarding this trend line, even regarding volume, which is getting lower and lower every day, for now nothing is happening. It should be really no surprise that when we plot this 200 moving average, look at the distance. Not that it has a clear downward trajectory, but look how distant it is from the price. That is well below it. So for now, don't exchange your Bitcoin for HBAR, because HBAR is bearish against the king, no matter what you think of it. And I know some of you now would say HBAR is better project than Bitcoin. I'm not stating that HBAR is bad and not talking about the project. I'm just talking about the current price action. Of course that the good times of HBAR will come, but still they are not here. I'm just stating that. With a little patience, they will come. And will they come against Ethereum? The chart is waiting us. No, nothing different. Almost identical to the Bitcoin action. A clear downtrend. For now, this is the trend line, this downward sloping trend line that's holding HBAR against Ethereum also. So it's smart to have your money now in Ethereum and maybe later in HBAR. Volume identical to the Bitcoins. Awaiting the move. 200 period pointed to the downside. Price well below the big one. Will it change? Well, absolutely, everything will change. I just want you to get this message and not think that I have something against Hedera, because I don't. I'm just stating you that for now, against Ethereum we are bearish, against Bitcoin we are bearish, and against US dollar we are, let's say, neutral. I'm just stating you clear facts. If you like the content, smash a like, show me that you do appreciate what I'm talking about, and show me that you are not mad at me because I said something is bearish, because we can't be bullish all the time. The time of bullishness will come. Patience is the key. If you don't like this video, hey, check out one of these. Maybe something in there will feed your crypto hunger. And now, roll!